Hi friends, time to learn something new. But today, before I start the video, I have a request to you. I am making English grammar videos which are very helpful for those who are willing to learn English grammar, who are planning to appearing for English International English Olympiads. So if you find the video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button below, and you can share the video with your friends who really need it. So thanks in advance for subscribing and thanks for sharing too. Let's start. So friends, today we will be learning analogy. Analogy and English grammar. Analogy means correspondence, the relation between two things. The relation between two things is given and you have to find out the another pair. So there is a similarity between two things and somehow the things are relate to each other. The analogy taste it means to taste the candidate's overall vocabulary, the power of critical thinking and reasoning and ability to think concisely. So here I have discussed the 10 different topics on analogy. There were so many. So let's start learning. So let's learn analogy. The first topic is instrument and measurement. As I said, analogy means the correspondence, the two similar things or there is a relation between two. The scale is an instrument and what do you measure with the scale? Length. So for each question you will get 4 options. The first option is book, paper. Here you assume that book is an instrument and do we measure paper with the help of book? No. Second option, mass and kilogram. Is mass an instrument? No. Third option, watch, time. Watch is an instrument and do we measure time with the help of watch? Yes. The answer is option C. Let's go to the second one. Anemometer, wind vane. Anemometer is an instrument and what do we measure with this instrument? Wind vane. Let's have a look to the options. The first option is scale, pen. So scale is an instrument. Do we measure pen? No. The second option is time, second. Time is an instrument? No. Third option is seismograph, earthquake. The seismograph is an instrument. It is used to measure the frequency of earthquake. The third is thermometer, scale. Thermometer, scale, both are instruments. So here the answer is option C. Analogy topic is quantity, unit. Force, Newton. Newton is a unit. So here the option A, balance, mass. Mass is not a unit. Option B, volume, liter. Volume is a quantity and we measure volume with the unit liter. The option C is watch, time. Watch is an instrument and we know about the time with the help of watch. The option D is scale, length. Length is not an unit. So here which one is unit? Volume, liter. So the answer is option B. Next topic is product and raw material. Here book, paper. So paper is the raw material. With the help of paper, book is made. So book here is the product. So let's have a look at the options. The first option is rice, bread. So bread, rice is product, bread is not the raw material. The second option is oil, seeds. Do we get oil from seeds? Yes. So option B here is the answer. Next topic is worker and tool relationship. Here tailor is the worker, needle is the tool. So let's take the options. Option A, surgeon, sword. Surgeon doesn't use sword. Woodcutter, knife. Woodcutter doesn't use knife. So option C is doctor and stethoscope. Doctor use stethoscope. So here the answer is option C. Next is cries of bird and animals. Frogs, croak. Croak is the sound of frog. Chicken, meat. Meat is not a sound or cries. Horse, neigh. Neigh is the sound of horse. Bull, moo. Moo is not the sound of bull. None of this. So here the option B is the answer because neigh is the sound of horse. Next topic is worker and product. Farmer here is the worker and crop is the product. Sailor, ship. Editor, newspaper. Carpenter, book. Lawyer, teacher. Sailor, Ship is the product, carpenter. Book is not the product, carpenter doesn't make books. Editor, newspaper. So here option C is the answer. Next one is worker and working place. Lawyer works at court. Butcher, meat. Meat is a product, is not a working place. Pilot, shop. Pilot doesn't work at shop. Editor, school. Editor doesn't work at school. Player, field. Player plays at fields. So here option D is the answer. So I have given an idea about what analogy is and what are the topics you can expect in your examinations. But you always have to remember, the more worksheets you do, the more type of topics you cover, the more you learn. So keep practicing. If you need any help, do let me know in the comment box below. And please do subscribe for the more such videos. Thank you.